In this series, we'll be completing the AI Agents Intensive course, which is crafted by Google, and Kaggle is collaborating on providing all the sessions, providing day-to-day assignments for all these 5 days. There has been emails about registering for this course, but if you have not registered, it's perfectly fine. You can just go to kaggle.com/learn guide/5day agents and drop the link in description. So you will be redirected to this page, which has the same course information. This is basically the central hub for all the course materials, updates, and resources. How this course works is there are daily live streams running, which are hosted by Kanchana Patlola from Kaggle and Anand Navalgaria, who is from Google. It's almost 1 hour of live streaming every day. For India, it's 12:30 a.m. IST, which is pretty late. Next part is about course completion. This course has all the materials. It consists of white papers, podcasts, and code labs. And once you through that, you would be in a good position to apply for the Capstone project. Once you participate in the Capstone project, you will earn a badge on Kaggle. In this Capstone project, you will have a chance to apply everything you have learned by building your own AI agent. Before we get on to the course and Unit 1, we need to complete the setup, which is required to start off with this course. You need to sign up for a Kaggle account. Click on this link and it will ask you to sign up with your ID, any email ID, provide it, and you will have access to the Kaggle account, which looks something like this. After that, you can also watch this video. It's a Kaggle notebook how-to video. It will tell you how the notebook works. If you don't have time, you can skip this for now, because in this video you will understand how this notebook works. Then you also might have to verify your phone number for this account, because it's necessary for the course code lab. The next thing that you need to sign up for is the AI Studio account, because the API key that we would be using for building our agent, we have to insert the secret key, generating this API key from the AI Studio. Third step is to sign up for the Discord account, because most of the announcements and relevant events about this course are announced in the Discord server. So once you sign up for Discord, you need to join the Kaggle's Discord server so that you have everything up to date. You can go and subscribe to these channels, which is announcement, introduction, question forum, and general chat, so that you can participate with the other people, the other participants who are going through this course, understand the course material, ask questions, discuss, help other people answer the questions. So you would be having a lot of fun, and you would be doing a lot of knowledge sharing here. So this is what the course is promising us, and this is what it comprises of. Please go ahead and complete the essential setup steps. Once done, we would be ready for the course initiation, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.